where is the consciousness? Consciousness is in the body or in Krishna. So when consciousness is in Krishna, then the body consciousness is there? No. So that is why what happens to the body, they don't register. It is not that things don't happen to the body. Things do happen to the body, but they don't register it. They don't feel it. That is the difference. Okay, so I said threefold miseries, right? Say your consciousness is fixed on Krishna, then will your ears hear? When your consciousness is shifted to Krishna, will your ears hear? So if somebody comes and tells you that you received $10 million, and if you don't hear, will it make any difference to you? Or if somebody comes and tells you, you lost all your money, and if you don't hear, will it make any difference to you? When your consciousness is there and you have some acute pain in your stomach, will you register the pain? At that time, if somebody comes and insults you in a bad way, calling you all kinds of names, will you hear? Okay, Adhi Atmik. Right? Your consciousness is not there in your body, and somebody comes and pricks a needle in your body. Will you feel it? A mosquito bites you. Will you feel it? A tiger comes and eats up your hand. Will you feel it? No. Adhi Bhautik. Your consciousness is not there in your body, and it is 55 degree centigrade heat. Will you feel it? There is a heat wave, or there is a cold wave, minus 55 degree. Will you feel it? So that's the thing. Trita taputrayan unmulanam. Why? Because the consciousness has been shifted to somewhere else. The consciousness is not in the body anymore. Therefore, there is no consciousness of pleasure or pain. Ultimately, it's just a matter of pleasure and pain. That's about the only thing that we know. Either it's pleasing to our body or painful to our body. So, taputrayan unmulanam, all right? By seeing the absolute truth, such truth uproots the threefold miseries.